Hi, Kat. I'm sorry I didn't do that video yet, so let's do it now. No time like the present. So, glucose, once it has been digested, so once you've digested carbohydrates, that glucose is going to enter into the bloodstream and it's going to go to the liver. Now, the glucose, when it goes to the liver, is generally stored as glycogen. So, if I took one glucose and stuck it to another glucose and another and another, and I did that like 30,000 molecules long, that's called glycogen. And we can only store about 160 grams or so of glycogen in the liver. So what happens when the liver is maxed out? It can't store any more glycogen. Well, that's when the liver converts the glucose into fat. And that's a chemical process called denovolipogenesis. And what it does is it converts the glucose into free fatty acids, FFA, free fatty acids. It then packages up those free fatty acids with glycerol inside special lipid-carrying proteins called lipoproteins. You've probably heard of LDLs and HDLs. So these lipoproteins, these low-density lipoproteins, they package up those triglycerides and they transport them around the body. Most notably, they transport the triglycerides with all of those free fatty acids attached to them. They transport them to adipose tissue, where they are readily absorbed into adipose tissue and fat cells start to grow. So it's not the fat cells that turn the glucose directly into fat. It's actually the liver that converts the glucose to fat and then transports that fat to adipocytes to be stored. De novo lipogenesis. Hope that helps.